comes the man, hot damn.
What's up, this is Jam back with another house dance tutorial. And in this video, I'm gonna show you how to do the hurdle. All right, so the hurdle is kind of a mix of the crisscross in hip hop and the farmer. So we're kind of blending both of those moves together in a sequence. All right, so how I start this one is I'm gonna be starting jumping open on the one like that, right? So I'm gonna go one. Now, from here, if I'm turning to the right, what I'm going to do is I'm gonna be jumping on my right leg like I'm gonna do a farmer. So I go one, I jump on the right, and there's my farmer right there. So one, and then I'm gonna jump out onto the other side, two. Okay, from this side, now that I'm on my left, I'm gonna use my left leg to jump, and three. Okay, so putting that together, we go one, and two, and three, and four. Okay, and that is the hurdle.
Jam, jam, here comes the man, hot damn.
Now, if you want some more in-depth training in-house, I just put out a new class right here in my membership on YouTube, which you can check out by clicking the join button down below. Within the membership, you get access to all of the classes I have available, as well as new classes coming out every month. You also get video feedback from me where you can send me a video once a month and I'll give you some critiques and some feedback to help you on your dance journey. Now, if the video has helped you, please hit that like button. You can subscribe for more tutorials like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.